To message your child's teacher in the Schoology app, first log into the Schoology app on your phone and then click the menu button in the upper left-hand corner. Then tap on Messages. From here, in the upper right-hand corner, tap on the plus button. You can begin to type the name of one of your child's teachers in the To area, and the name will pop up and you can tap on it. Add a subject line, such as retaking a test or missing assignment, and a message. Notice that you can also use photo or video messages. So if it's easier for you to record your message instead of typing it, you can use those options. When you are done, click the Send button in the upper right-hand corner.